So again, which number is in between the other two? We have 6, 9, and 8. So let's count through our number line and put them in the correct order, starting with the smallest number going all the way to the biggest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6, 7, 8, which is our next number, 9, again, our last number, and then 10. So what do we notice? We have 6, 8, and 9. Okay, so the correct answer here is 8. We see that 8 is in between 6 and 9. And remember what I said earlier. You cannot take the problem, which is 6, 9, and 8, and say that 9 is in between 6 and 8, because we know when we look at the number line that the correct order is 6, 8, and 9. So this would be wrong, and the correct answer here is 8. So 8 is in between 6 and 9.